is you're also the role of Michael, but you're all sort of one person. Yeah, you're all one person. Yeah, and at any point during this, that one of you decides to kind of go, let's go over to him and tell him to shut up. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And then all of you go, yes, let's go and do that. Yeah, he's going to continue doing the interview, but you're inside his mind. Yeah, you're trying to express the real things that you would love to do. That's going to make a difference to what's going on here. And when one person makes a suggestion, you all have to get behind it and do it. Yeah? That's part one of it. There's a part two, but just ease you in. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Sure? Yeah? One of you have to find an idea about it's about finding some kind of solutions to what's going on here. So when you make your suggestion about, yes, let's, whatever, it's about trying to find some solution to this issue. Yes? And you're all one person. Does that make sense? Yeah? So let's just either continue and increase the whatever it is that you were doing before and be a little bit more different from how you were before. Okay. Is that okay,